Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada.
Babe, take a walk on the wild side, and the colored girls go do 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 do.
Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. Now he's a super cat man.
They do not want you to think too much. That is why our country and our world has become so proliferated with entertainments, mass media, television shows, amusement parks, and every kind of entertainment to keep the human mind entertained, so that you don't get in the way of important people by doing too much thinking. You had better wake up and understand that there are people who are guiding your life and you don't even know
It's
it.
your wake up call, yo, you gotta wake up. Ha, yeah, Mr. Babble with your wake up call, yo, you gotta wake up. Check it out. Yo, I got no time for negativity. I'm building on the positive vibe, utilizing my abilities, cause I'm a real MC with knowledge and wisdom together. That's truth in my lyrics on this rhythm, heads of perpetrators get severed. I achieve my goals cause of my endeavors. I'm lifted, double splifted, cause me give the mic, we on this joint venture. On an unstoppable high, can't get me down when I enter the zone. Where I'm around the state with strength from the inner, and if I'm wrapping myself up again, this life plain simple. Cause I'm a winner, not a quitter, no doubt. Hey yo, I'm just having fun, that's what this shit is all about. Hip hop it, get me in this power that's upward, so all you fraudulent fuckers get burned like Dutchess. I bust this fat bound. Yo, this ain't half time, this is your wake up call. It's time to wake the fuck up now. It's your wake up call, yo, you gotta wake up. Luckily the verses I spit be like alarm clocks, but instead of being smashed, I do the smash shit. Now you reality stuck in the wake of my blaster. Sleepy heads, it's your wake up call, you gotta wake up. Luckily the verses I spit be like alarm clocks, but instead of being smashed, I do the smash shit. Now you reality stuck in the wake of my blaster. Cause many people are sleeping and they don't even know it. Eyes wide shut and can't hear their own voices. 85%ers trapped in Babylon, the one to hear themselves thinkers. They can shut the TV off, a housewife, kids, job, mortgage and 2 cars, same routine every day, still the balance is off. You're stuck in a rut, I'm in it with you to fuck up. Take control, live your life the way that you want. It's not easy to break free from enslavement, so we on stage or in the studio and keep on creating. Keep working, keep on evolving, don't get trapped. Find your own path and the righteous shall pass to find happiness. That's what it is, what it is. Not about what you have, it's about what you give. Negative versus positive, you know what wins. You wake up call, motherfuckers, pick it up, don't let it ring, cause it's your wake up call. There's a party, like clouds above, so my crew will love. Never sleeping, never sleeping, never sleeping. The sleep is because of the essence. That's a matter of fact, now that I think back, revelations are coming true. Cause it's your wake up call, you know you gotta wake up. Luckily the verses I spit be like alarm clocks, but instead of being smashed, I do the smash shit. Now you reality stuck in the wake of my blaster. Sleepy heads, it's your wake up call, you gotta wake up. Luckily the verses I spit be like alarm clocks, but instead of being smashed, I do the smash shit. Now you reality stuck in the wake of my blaster.
Dead in the middle of little did we know every riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Dead in the middle of little did we know every riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Yeah, and you don't stop. It's still 187 on an undercover guy. Fuck the police, I squeeze first, make him need third, take him feet first through the morgue, then launch him in the deep earth. The streets curse, the First Amendment's culturally biased. Supposed to supply us with rights, and night I hold my rosary tight as I can. I'm one man against the world, just me and my girl, Black Pearl, Latina, my spina, but keeps it real, you know the deal. We steal from the rich and keep it peeping, it's no secret. Watch me and Joe go back and forth with free face of the earth and curse your family's children like Amityville and drill the nerves in your cavity filling.
Как? Игорь!
Повернись! Какая-то... Я как бы... О!
Just like me, one of the best might be. Spike Lee couldn't paint a better picture. You small change, I'm blowing out your brains, getting richer. Hit you with the Mac. Smack a bitch, nigga, what? You getting stuck, my trigger fingers fuck. Little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Get in the middle of little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly.
On your mark, get set, go, let me shoot to the next man in a three-piece suit. I spend all my dough, Ray me cutie, shoot-shooba-dooby, like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I love you in your big jeans, you give me nice dreams, you make me wanna scream, ooh, ooh, ooh. I like what you do, when you do, what you do, you make me wanna shoot.
Get in the middle of little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Get in the middle of little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Get in the middle of little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. Get in the middle of little did we know it'd be riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly.
Let a nigga rotate, turn on your table. Put a diamond needle, bullet through your ego. What, you the king in the chair on my ground? The Tyson of sound is 20 seconds to a round. Scavenge a nigga, use a shrimp. A full line of shit, my ear can't digest it. Stop drinking all that motherfucking water. Let me take it to the land. So I can Godzilla up your shit. That's the tiny Tim, man. Niggas be creeping up my beanstalk. When I start to come down on your fucking ass, you try to chop shit on us. Get these nuts, motherfucker, run. The road feels the flow like a hoe, so I should rap on the microphone. My rhymes hitting hard enough to crack a bone. I divide swear MCs like math. Genuine half and drink a genuine draft. I stomp him, then I skeet out without a wampum. When he's laying on the ground, I let my dog spill and chomp him. I feel it's all about skills. The outcome's unbelievable like Tyson Holyfield. The lyrics alone is return them to their rightful owners. My style is wild like G solos and stoners. No need to act or put you on like a ski mask. We can fight the power like this was PE class. I rhyme squads like Hank Shots. Peace to my niggas Scott, putting stickers on the block. I drink more Brewsters than Punky. It's the further adventures of the hip-hop junkies. Yeah, man! Just up the hip-hop junkies.
Hey yo, I beat fools burgundy, rap burns your third degree, mask on surgically, move on uncertainty. Who gon' test her? P. Lost professor. I been having them weak dudes on the stretcher. Conked out, stomped out, tell you what I'm all about. Wildin', fouling to get fouled the fuck out, duffed out. Like a title fight, tough bout. See him to it anywhere, anytime, just shout, call me. Middle name, nickname, Paulie. Throw foes, blows fast as a Ferrari. Ash a Safari, tour guide if I animal out and kick a blast out your hide. That kid really nearly passed out and died. Trying to rep talk, had to sit his ass in some emphasis on. But at the end of the night, it ain't right. Politics got me mad and the kid gon' fight. Come on, pump your fist like this. Pump your fist like this. Come on, pump your fist like this. Come on, pump your fist like this. Pump your fist like this. Come on, pump your fist like this.
I'm built to spit, that make you take an aspirin shit. Still respected after years, only has-beens quit. A predator, true rhyme competitor, the older the better I get, etc. You already know who it is, so the name is irrelevant, you dig? Just a dope man selling it. Say my name once, had the whole world yelling it. The place where that money at, I dwell in it. You wanna battle? Let's go a few rounds. Bring your hype man too, so I can show a few clowns. Ain't nothing changed but the clothes and the foes. New niggas in the game, I keep them on their toes. Extraordinary, not ordinary, but